Hey, I'm Dr. B here at Verified Investing, and yesterday there was some really interesting trading on MSTR. If you look at my tweet here, I talked about MSTR having an amazing fall intraday and talking about how I actually nailed the bounce. And I did find this divergence here on the 1-minute chart, but I didn't talk about what happened before then. So if you look over here at this chart, MSTR was down about 8% from the highs of the day. And I saw this pattern developing. I was thinking that this would be a double bottom, right? So I entered the trade right in here. Now, the mistake that I made is if you look at the Bitcoin chart at that time, okay, and again, my crosshairs line up with the crosshairs of the MSTR chart. So right about 10:59, you can see here that Bitcoin was at resistance. In general, because MSTR is so heavily invested in Bitcoin, you really want to be charting Bitcoin and then making your investment in MSTR. The same thing with Coinbase, right? So Bitcoin was at resistance when I was trying to go long here on MSTR. That didn't work out. All right, that was actually a mistake that I made. And what I did is I stopped out here below this line. Hopefully you can see this. So below this support line, I stopped out. And at that point, the stock continued to fall precipitously. I knew there was an opportunity coming. So what did I do on my MSTR chart? I zoomed out and I looked for other support, right? So here's the support that I found on MSTR. This was clear support. And I saw the price coming down through this support, blew right through support. And then I looked over at Bitcoin and I said, all right, well, what's Bitcoin doing? And right in here, there's support on Bitcoin. You can see this pivot high, and right here around 11:30, there was support on Bitcoin. The other thing that I noticed right as Bitcoin was coming into support was what I call micro divergence. So price was continuing lower while the RSI started to inch higher. That tells me that the trend is changing. More buyers than sellers are starting to step in, and that gave me confidence for the reversal. And this is where not only did I make back my losses from this trade, but I profited on this run here. This was about a 5% run just in 15 minutes. So that was really crucial to put all of this together. And it just reminded me that you really have to chart Bitcoin when going into these trades. You want to be buying MSTR, for example, when Bitcoin's on support, and shorting MSTR or Coinbase when Bitcoin is at resistance. So that very key concept. So if you enjoyed that content, like the video, subscribe to Verified Investing. We do some amazing things here every day, teaching people technical analysis. We have a live day trading room. And if you want to train like me and trade like me, you can go to my course, the 1-Minute Scalpel, on Verified Investing's website. And you can purchase this course and learn. It's about 2 hours. And I go through all of the little nuances that I've found over years of trading. And it's really, really informative. I hope you like it. Take care.